Hello, and welcome to Consulting First, where hidden truths find their voice and complex challenges find their solutions.
We are a team of passionate consultants dedicated to addressing the issues of modern society, relationships, marriage, and even the unspoken topics like intimacy.
We approach these subjects with respect, professionalism, and a touch of boldness because we believe every question deserves an honest answer.
Whether you're here to understand, to heal, or simply to explore what's often left unsaid, know this: you've come to the right place.
Together, we'll turn your questions into clarity, your doubts into confidence, and your silences into meaningful conversations.
Because talking is already the first step toward change.
And understanding is the key to everything.
So stay with us.
Subscribe and join a community that dares to ask the right questions and find the answers that truly matter.
So, welcome to your space for reflection and transformation. Welcome once again to Consulting First, where your questions find their answers, and remember, after every challenge, there is an opportunity. So, what do we say together?
Dare, understand, transform. More. Yes.
What if I told you that every tear you've cried since your breakup, every night you've spent replaying conversations in your head, every time you've asked, "Why wasn't I enough?" was based on a lie? What if I told you this pain isn't the end of your story, but the brutal, beautiful beginning of something you can't even imagine yet? Over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to heal without losing yourself. Because the person you're about to become is someone your ex will never get to meet. Let's start with the 3 deadly mistakes that keep people stuck in breakup pain for months, even years. Mistake number 1, the digital torture cycle. Checking their Instagram at 2 a.m., reading old texts for closure, stalking their new partner just to see. Here's the hard truth. Every time you do this, you're not just checking, you're re-breaking your own heart. Science proves it. Studies show this spikes cortisol, your stress hormone, higher than the original breakup. Mistake number 2, the "I'll never love again" lie. Your brain is wired to catastrophize after loss. But right now, your mind is lying to you. That voice saying you'll die alone, it's not a prophecy, it's just pain talking. Mistake number 3, the fake healing fast track, rebounds. I'm totally over it. Denial. Toxic positivity. Healing isn't a race. And shortcuts. They always lead to dead ends. Now, let's rebuild. Step 1, the 72-hour detox. Delete. Don't just mute. There's socials. Archive old photos in a folder labeled "Not Now." Tell friends, I don't need updates about them. Yes, it hurts, but this isn't about them. It's about creating space for you. Step 2, the identity audit. Grab a journal. Ask, who was I before this relationship? What parts of myself did I compromise? What can I reclaim now? This isn't navel-gazing, it's active recovery. Step 3, the confidence booster. Every morning, say this in the mirror: I am not defined by who leaves me, but by how I choose to rise. Then, do one thing that scares you. Send that work email, dance in your kitchen, wear that bold outfit. Here's what no one tells you. The moment you stop begging love to stay is the moment it starts finding you everywhere. That confidence you think you lost. It wasn't in their touch, their words, their presence. It was always in you, buried under layers of we and us. So starting today, stop asking why they left. Start asking, where will I go next? If this helped you even just 10%, do this right now. First, scream done. Second, save this and replay it when doubt creeps in. Third, subscribe if you want part 2, how to make them regret losing you. And to you, yes, you're listening right now, thank you for showing up, for not giving up, for being here, even when it hurts. Your comeback starts now.